Hi, this is Mark DeLise, and this is video 2 of the blog page template. And in this video here, I'm going to be going over how to set up the nav bar buttons using the WordPress menu. A lot of you are familiar with this already. And then we're going to move on to how to do the author page and custom tailor it. And then obviously you can move on to other things like the sidebar widgets and the footer widgets and things like that. Maybe another video or this one. We'll see. We'll just start and we'll see how far we can get. Okay, first of all, let's talk about the nav bar. You obviously want to go to the settings of the blog settings. So we will go there right now. And here you want to go obviously to the blog settings, and you want to click on nav bar options, and you want to scroll down to where you see obviously enable nav bar. Now here it says use blog nav menu name to use navigation menu. So you want to go to the dashboard, and you want to go to where it says appearance, and it says menus. So click on menus. And here you'll see that there's a number of different nav bars that you can set up. Here's one, then there's a membership nav bar. And then there's these SVP nav bar. This is for sales pages. This is the membership area, and this is for the blog. All right. So first of all, you want to set up a new one. To set up a new one, now I've already created this, so you don't need to do it again. So obviously, you click on the little plus sign right here, and you put in the word blog nav, and you click on create menu. All right. Now I've already done this, so I don't need to do it again. But that's exactly how you do it. Next, what you can do is simply make sure that the blog nav is set up, okay? And you highlight it. And when you first click on blog nav, this field here will be empty. And here you can control your navigation bar. So right now I have the Buy Now Features and Support Desk, which is obviously right here, Buy Now Features and Support Desk. And how to add new ones, or what I can do is simply I can move these around, see? Move those around. I can put one over here like that. And so if I just have features and then sub nav bar, so if I click on save menu, just like that, and if I go back here and if I click on update, refresh, you see here it just has features, but you see that now it has two sub menus under feature. Or I can come back and I can even do it further. I can add another category or another sub menu, click on save, and now if I refresh, it's going to add even another sub menu. See, buy now, and then it goes over here. You see that? So that's how easy it is to move things around. This is easy as that. And if you want to add a new one, what you can do is simply, for example, I can add from pages or do a search, or I can grab this one and click on add to menu. And what that'll do, it'll bring over to the right hand side into the menu area this page here. Here I can change the name of it, but it's going to go to this page, this price tables page that I have. It says page right there. And so if I click on blog nav, if I save this menu and refresh, and now let me just come over here. If I click on price tables, it's going to go to that price tables page. You see that? So that's how that works. So let me just get rid of that. You can just click on there and remove. And now if you want to add a custom link, you go right here. So for example, if I want to go to, and that's what these are. These are here are custom links. I can click on that and I can put the URL right here and the title. So for example, Google, and I put in the label as Google and add to menu. And you can see it moves it over here. So if I click on save again, I click on save and I refresh, you see that's going to bring me right to Google. All right, that's how that works. Let's just remove this, remove that, and let me just save it. So that's how easy it is to do the blog menu. Just name it blog nav and create your menu system, either with pages or custom links or whatever you want to do. All right. The next thing that we're going to look at is the author menu, which is down here. This is the author menu, and this is linked to your author page. And all this right here, this is what you want to do to get your picture in there. Go to gravatar.com. Go to gravatar.com. Just go right here. See up above. Go to gravatar.com. Bring it up a little more. Gravatar.com, and just go there. And it's all free. So you log in, and all you do is log in, and you upload your picture and your email address that you're going to be using. And so all you need to do is every time that you write a blog comment, anytime that you do any type of blogging for comments, your picture, when you're using that email address, will automatically be added to your blog comment, and also for your author page. Okay, so you'll see if I right click and view image, you'll see there's the image, but if I go up and see, it's actually on the Gravatar server. You see that? There it is right there. That's on the Gravatar server. And so to set this up, obviously you want to go to your blog settings. This is your blog settings, right? And you go to you want to go to search bar and blog options right here. And you come down and it says show Osher info on blog on post single page. So make sure that's on. And then from there you want to go to users and go to your profile. Users and your profile. And you want to make sure that this is all set up here. And you want to obviously put in your first name, put in your last name, and then publicly display your name as, you know, what it is here, right? And then this is where you put in your email address. You put your email address right in there, and this email address is connected to my Gravatar address, all right? And right here, this is where you can fill in the information, your biographical information. Now, just remember here, I can put in HTML. Okay, so I can go right here, I can put in HTML, I can add another image or whatever, and I can put another link in there, like this. Let me get the right, and blog, just like that. All right, so I can put a hyperlink in there as well, and I can make that no follow or do follow or whatever it is I want to do right there. And all I need to do is come down here and save that. And now let me refresh, just like that. Okay, so Mark DeLeese blog is highlighted right there. That's, if I click on there, it's going to go to my blog. And I can change the link color and things like that as well. So there is the nav bar and the author on posts. And we'll stop this video, and from there we'll move on to the widget areas. And this is Mark DeLeese signing off. Thank you.